I'm Mark Stickells. I'm the Chief Executive Officer of the Pawsey Supercomputing Research Centre. Pawsey's value is in using some of the most advanced computing power on the planet to accelerate scientific discovery across a whole range of domains, from fundamental science supporting human health and disease, to understanding changing climate, through to unlocking some of the mysteries of the universe through research supporting radio astronomy.
The Minderoo OceanOmics Centre at UWA is an initiative by the Minderoo Foundation in partnership with UWA to transform how environmental DNA is used to monitor marine biodiversity. One of the bigger problems that we're trying to solve is centred around developing advanced technologies to make environmental DNA an effective way to monitor marine biodiversity. So traditional approaches like visual surveys are relatively low resolution and quite difficult to scale, whereas in contrast, by sampling the tiny DNA fragments that are left behind by all marine life, offers a potentially highly scalable and high resolution alternative. So one of the major barriers currently facing the utility of eDNA-based approaches is the lack of reference DNA sequences. So currently over 95% of marine vertebrates lack a whole genome reference sequence. So this is another problem that we're addressing by improving reference genome databases. Pawsey Setonix supercomputer has really been essential for us in developing and scaling up our workflows. We really needed the infrastructure at Pawsey to deal with that large amount of data.
Climate Science Initiative was launched in 2021 by the WA government. It is creating the most sophisticated climate science projections for Western Australia up to the year of 2100. This work is the best available climate science in WA. It will help the government to make the best informed policy to help the stakeholders, including industry and communities, to adapt climate change. This work is a true partnership within the climate science community. We collaborate with scientists not only in WA but also around Australia. It is exciting, once-in-a-lifetime opportunity to work in this kind of project. Yeah.
I'm really proud to be working here at Pawsey because we have a team of dedicated individuals who spend a lot of time researching new technology in order to make it available to our researchers, right? They're really the enablers, right, of science here in Australia. I'm also very happy to work with all the scientists in Australia because in many cases, they're really leading the way, right? At the worldwide level, at the global level, right? We really have a lot of initiatives that are happening only in Australia.
Pawsey is a really powerful combination of advanced computing, very large data sets, and skilled technical colleagues who work with our leading scientists to tackle some really challenging scientific problems. We're at a national crossroads in terms of digital infrastructure and advanced computing. We absolutely need centres like Pawsey in the national interest. The science that we accelerate at Pawsey has a real impact on human health and disease, on our environment, on understanding the climate and understanding the mysteries of our universe.